Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video you will learn how to create VLAN and configure it on Mikrotik router so that computers can connect to the internet. Let's start with an example of a small network. First we name the interfaces for easy distinguishing. We will create two VLANs that are 30 and 40. Then assign them to the interface named LAN. The next step is to assign IP addresses to the VLAN interfaces. Go to DHCP, then go to the DHCP server to set up DHCP. You configure the IP address range corresponding to each VLAN. Go to IP, Firewall to NAT Configuration. The steps are done, now try the results with computers connected to different VLANs. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel.